Improving your health starts with better understanding it. It's time to see how the daily choices we make, from how much we move, to how well we sleep, to how we communicate, to how we measure our body, all connect to form a more complete picture of our health. Introducing Amazon Halo, a brand new way to measure, track, and improve your health every day. Comfortable, secure, and swim-proof, the Halo Band is ready to move with you. Plus, there's no screen, so it won't interrupt or distract you. It focuses on your health, so you can focus on your life. Let's check it out. With Halo, you don't just count steps, you know which steps really count. Informed by guidelines from the American Heart Association, Halo measures the intensity and duration of your activity throughout the day. Whether you're taking a stroll, taking the stairs, or pushing yourself to the limit, Halo gives you a more accurate picture of movement's impact on your health, so you can reach your goals in less time and less steps. Better sleep starts with understanding how you sleep. Halo analyzes the quality and quantity of your sleep. Then it provides suggestions from experts to help you sleep better. Like reducing liquids before bed to reduce wake-ups during the night. And saying farewell to furry friends. Because good sleep is an important part of good health. Weight isn't the best measure of physical health, because it can be made of all sorts of stuff. Halo uses your smartphone's camera to analyze body fat percentage, a better indicator of health than weight or BMI alone. Your body scan images are automatically deleted from the cloud after processing. Then a personalized 3D model helps you track progress over time. Halo's nearly twice as accurate as leading at-home smart scales, so you can focus on your health, not just your weight. Social well-being is important to your health too. When the tone feature is enabled, Halo analyzes the tone of your voice throughout the day to help you better understand how you may sound to others. Like, maybe you thought you sounded affectionate, but actually sounded bored. Maybe in the future you can do a better job complimenting her talents. With Halo, you can make sure what people hear with their ears matches what comes from your heart. And you can speak easy, because Halo is built with multiple layers of privacy and security. Plus, you can turn off the microphones on your Halo Band at any time. Once you understand your habits, you can make informed choices to improve them. Halo Labs are trackable challenges and experiments developed by experts to help you build healthier habits for life. Like getting steps in during phone calls, sleeping better by napping less, and de-stressing by decluttering. With Halo, you can fine-tune the way you tick. The purchase of your Halo Band comes with 6 months of Halo membership. As a member, you have full access to Halo's advanced tools and metrics, along with guidance to help you turn data into results. Amazon Halo. Connect what you do to how you feel.